Hey guys, it's Carrie the Paper Monkey. Thank you so much for dropping in. This is installment number 2 of hashtag Who Knew. Now, just to catch you up real quick, I've created this series for those who are not as familiar with junk journaling terms or tools or whatever, and I wanted to do it in 5-minute or less increments. You know, just real quick little snippets to just bring just some education, really, on things that I didn't know. In the beginning, I always said this in my videos. If I was going to have merchandise, it was going to be hashtag Who Knew, because I was the Who Knew girl. I didn't know anything. I didn't know what washi tape was. I had not been a creator or really a scrapbook or anything. So all of it was so new and so foreign to me. So I'm hoping that this series will help those folks who are not only curious about junk journaling, but stepping into the world. And I just want to make it a little easier for you. So anyway, let's jump into this. Today's Who Knew, as you can tell by the title, is Who Knew Centering Rulers. I'm going to bring you out a little bit so you can see the full ruler here. I have to thank my friend Hazel for this, because Hazel introduced me to the centering ruler. I will have her channel linked. Please go visit Hazel's channel and subscribe if you haven't already. She is a delight. Anyway, the centering ruler, as you can see here, there is a mark that is dead center of this ruler. This is a 12-inch ruler, so you have 6 inches on this side and 6 inches on that side. I'm sure that they have ones that are longer and ones that are shorter. I just got this one because it was the one Hazel had, really, to be honest with you, and I will link this one in the description. It will be my Amazon affiliate link. But by all means, go find one that works for you. So let's say you want to find the center of this page, because this page is, and you can see we have the ruler on this side. So let's measure it. 6.5, about 6.5. Okay, so you have a square. We want to make an envelope. Well, I'm going to tell you what I would do with the centering ruler. I'm going to diagonal it, because what I want to find is the center here, right? The center of the page. So I'm just going to put it on the diagonal. That's 4.5 and 4.5. Yeah. Does that make sense? Let me bring you in so you can see. So that is going to be right there. So then all I would need to do is bring this here and this here and go on about my day making a perfectly squared envelope. And that, I mean, it's as simple as that. This centering ruler has been one of the best investments I have made to date. No kidding. It's right up there with my paper cutter. You know, it's right up there with my crocodile. It's just a tool. Now, this was certainly not as much as those things, but I would highly recommend, if you're going to do the paper crafting that we do, I think this is going to save you a lot of time, a lot of headache, a lot of effort, and a lot of energy if you run out and get these things. I sure appreciate y'all coming along. And if there are any subjects that you are curious about, because listen, I have a whole list of Who Knews coming up. And they will be one thing that I'm going to go over. Like I said, it'll be a video of 5 minutes or less. And I already have a list of things that I'm going to talk about, one in each video. But if there's anything that you're interested in learning more about, not that I know everything, because I don't, but if I don't know, I'll go research it and I'll put together a little 5-minute video for you. So leave it in the comments if there's something you're interested to learn more about in the world of junk journaling. I sure appreciate y'all coming along. Thank you so very much. This is, I think this has been a lot of fun, and I am looking forward to sharing more and more with you guys. Thank you again, and I hope that whatever it is you get to do today or in the next few days, it is at least as much fun as this hashtag Who Knew series is for me. Thanks, guys. We'll chat soon. Bye.